Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Hasnan and you are watching Desi Jaan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you my fat bike. So let's see. Fat bike I wanted to show my all subscriber. This bike I bought around 2 years ago, and mostly I drive car, but now I decided to make a video on fat bike. It's a 26 4.0, and this is the company name. Company name is Bigfoot. Today I installed 4 rings. The backlight and the front light is very important in Germany. If you don't have, you get fine. So if you want to ride bike, you must have everything here. I have the wireless transmitter. This can show you how much kilometer you have ride your bike, and here it's the lights. It's a different lights when it's night time. You can see this is very beautiful. It says okay. Air. It needs the starts. The price of this bicycle, this fat bike, it's around 600 euro. From 600, or maybe it can be more. You can get also cheaper price, maybe 400 euro, 300 euro in different companies' name. Yes, and now they have also in electric bikes, fat bike. So depends on the quality, the company name. So if you want to see this kind of another videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.